Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome back to this myEcon full business review for 2025 playlist. I know that's a mouthful, but there is a ton of information here right at your fingertips. Links in the description down below if you're going to want to come right here to this playlist. If you haven't seen all of the videos, specifically really the first few videos right at the top there, it's going to give you a lot of information. If you're unfamiliar with myEcon, the compensation plan, the products, the services, what's available to you as a myEcon member, that's covered in the first video. The second video specifically is what you get for free when you join my specific team and you work directly with me. We're going to give you over $11,000 documented free value just for starting your myEcon business. All of your sales funnels, marketing, content. We're going to do the email follow-up for you. We're going to give you an app. And we're just going to give you so much training. You're going to know exactly what to do step by step, my friend. So there is so much value there. So please make sure that you're saving, maybe bookmarking this playlist if you ever need to come back to it, because it's going to have everything you need to know about myEcon. Every single product or service, like I said, compensation plan, back office overviews, it's all right here in this playlist. So every bit of information you're ever going to need about myEcon is going to be right here in this playlist. Now, in this video specifically, I get a lot of questions about how to upgrade your account. Now, I want to cover a couple of quick pieces of information for you. And this is going to be a relatively quick video because it's a pretty simple thing to cover, okay? A lot of people ask me, hey, can I get started at the lower level and then upgrade to the higher level? And the answer to that is an easy yes. There are two monthly membership levels for myEcon. You have the FSM level, which is $41 a month or $40 a month. And then you have the EBM level, which is $59 a month. Okay, so $40 a month or $59 a month. Now, when you decide to upgrade, here's the cool part about this. You don't have to pay the full price to upgrade. You only pay the difference. Okay, so in other words, if you're at the $40 FSM level and you want to upgrade to the $59 EBM level, you're only going to pay that price difference, okay, about 20 bucks. That's it. You don't have to pay the full membership price of $99.95. Okay, so real great benefit to you as a myEcon member if you do come in at the lower levels. Now the question is, how do you do that? How do you upgrade once you're in your myEcon members area? It's actually really, really simple. So whatever device you're on, you're going to find this products tab right here, and then you're going to scroll down to where you see it says upgrade, downgrade. Now, if you want to downgrade, that's on you. You can do that. But upgrading your membership is very, very easy. Quick little overview explaining exactly what we're talking about right here. And then you can just select the two membership levels, right? So obviously, if you're at the $40 level, your upgrade is going to be highlighted in green. You would simply click on that and then proceed forward. Very, very simple, very easy to do. You can see all the different added benefits that you're going to get being at the higher level. Okay, so that specifically is how you do that. And again, you only pay the difference. I've had a lot of people reach out to me and ask me this, hey, how do I upgrade? It's very, very simple and very easy to do. There is one other way that you can do it. For some reason, if you don't see that products drop down, you can go into my account and you can also scroll down here under my membership right here, and you'll see it right here. The same thing, upgrade, downgrade, and that will take you to literally the same exact spot. Okay, so there's two different ways to get there. And that is it. Short, quick, and easy video. Again, if you are not with myEcon, link in the description down below. If you need to bookmark this playlist so you have everything right at your fingertips, everything you would possibly need to know about myEcon here in 2025, again, that link is in the description down below. That playlist link will take you right here to what you see on your screen. If you have any questions for me whatsoever, my phone number is right at the top of this video. Feel free to text me and ask me anything. And of course, if you made it to this point in the video and you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content here to my channel. You, my friend, will be the first to know. So hit those links in the description down below. Get yourself started. Be part of this incredible business and incredible team. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside in just a few minutes. And of course, I will see you on the next video. Take care.